Hey YouTubers, good evening. Mike Martin's here. Mike Martin's channel. Just chilling out here. Day's coming to an end, and I want to make a quick vid. I don't know if anyone's paying attention to what's happening with with China. Big moves, big power moves with China. China is unpegging itself from the petrodollar, from the oil reserve dollar, or whatever you want to call it. For a country to purchase oil in vast sums, they must first purchase US dollars, and then with their currency, they must purchase US dollars, and then with the US dollars, they purchase their oil. And for a long time, this has been the United States has been riding off this petrodollar, or riding off its coattails for so long now, and helping to finance its deficits and stuff. So now, it looks like that's coming to an end next week. So the markets are going to get shaken up a bit, guys. So I kind of want you guys to take a look at it. Look at the market. Look at gold. Look at gold next week. I have a feeling something's going to happen next week with gold. So I've been watching the gold markets the last couple of weeks. I think gold's going to start rallying soon. I don't know, man. There's a lot of huge moves in the markets right now. It's going to be a very interesting week to watch your portfolios and see where things go. But we'll see what happens. I'm primarily in marijuana stock, so it goes up a certain amount. I sell most of it and then buy it back when it drops. So I've been doing that for a while, but I'm doing okay with that. But this is going to be an interesting oil market. This is going to be really interesting. So now what China is going to start buying and selling oil with its currency with a gold buyback thingy. They have some sort of backed by gold or something, right? That's kind of an incentive. And then Nicolas Maduro in Venezuela, he's trying to get the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin crypto. Sorry, guys. The Bitcoin cryptocurrency going down there in Venezuela too, where people just where they use cryptocurrencies to buy and sell oil. And I think Nicolas Maduro is way ahead of himself, way ahead. I think it's possible. It's very possible what he's doing, but it's way ahead of his time. Like, I think it's way ahead of Venezuela's time. But if he gets it off the ground, that'll be great. What else is going on? So markets are going to be moving around. And one thing that concerned me was China. After, I don't know if you guys remember, Trump signed something with, sorry, I'm still sick. Signed something last week, making Taiwan something like, or giving it its, like, independent, or a sovereign, whatever it is. I don't even know. But the main part of the story is China sent out an aircraft carrier, a couple of support ships out in that area, and they're starting to ramp up those islands that they were taking over and building up to put airstrips on. And they've been, like, busy with those islands in the last couple of days. So I don't know what's going to happen. Everybody knows, everybody that's older knows what's happened to countries when they leave the US petrodollar, right? So it's going to be a very interesting thing to see in the next coming week. Let me know what you guys think. If you got your finger on the pulse with this, comment below. I think this might be the trigger that affects the housing market. This could be the trigger event that actually launches us into a recession, depression. You know, Canada goes into recession, it could take a couple of years. But if the world goes global recession, how long would that take? What's going to start it up? What's going to kickstart it again? That's something I've always wondered. Let me know. Comment below. Thanks for watching, guys.